Today, we will continue a new chapter, Adaptation of Animals to Climate. Good morning, everyone. Friends, we know that climate has a great effect on the living organism. The features and the habits that enable the living organism to survive in their surrounding is known as adaptation. In tropical as well as polar region of the earth have severe condition, means extremely bad climatic condition. The climate of the tropical region is very hot, while the climate of the polar region is very cold. The polar regions are situated near the poles, that is, North and South Pole. Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Siberian, some of the region of Russia are the some countries. They belong to the polar region. Regions are always covered with snow and very cold for the most part of the year. The atmospheric temperature remains below the 0 degrees centigrade, and in the winter the temperature is deep down, means is near about minus 37 degrees centigrade. The animals living in the polar regions. Animals living in the polar regions are many types. They are fishes, hares, Arctic foxes, polar bears, seals, whales, penguins, etc. Students, the birds which living in the polar regions can't tolerate extremely cold climate in winter. So, the birds migrate to the warmer region. When the winter sets in, they come back after the winter is over. This process is known as migration process. In Siberia, this Siberian bird fly thousands of kilometers and come to the warmer place in India, such as Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana. The Siberian cranes fly back to Siberia again when the winter season gets over. The climate of the tropical season is very hot and humid. They have sunlight at least 12 hours, so day and nights are almost equal in length. During the summer, the temperature is about 40 degrees centigrade and the rainfall is in plenty, means sufficient amount of rainfall is available. So that's the reason the tropical region have dense forest. Due to the sufficient amount of sun rays as well as sufficient amount of rainfall in this region have dense rainforest. They found in Western Ghat and northeastern part in India, Central America, South America, etc. Means Western Ghat, North Eastern part in the India, Central America and the South America. All these are the parts of the tropical region. There is a variety of plants and animals in tropical rainforest because of suitable climatic condition. The type of animals living in this forest are living in these tropical regions are monkeys, snakes, lizard, insect, lion, tigers, elephants, leopard, etc. Now, we will discuss adaptations of some tropical region animals. In it, first we will discuss adaptation in elephant. Due to the specific feature, elephant live in a tropical rainforest. Let's see. Elephant has strong sense of smell because it uses its trunk as a nose. Elephant uses its long trunk to pick up food and put it into the mouth. They use their trunk for drinking water also. The second one is the elephant has big pointed teeth known as tusk. Elephant uses tusk for dig the roots of food plants. Elephant has large fan-like ears. It can hear the lower sound also. When the temperature rises, the elephant flap. Their ears flap means the part which are hanging from the body. Here the ears of the elephant are hanging from the body. So it's called as a flap ears. The elephant has a large fan-like ears. It can hear the low sound also. When the temperature rises, the elephant flap their ears like fans. So they feel cool themselves. Now the elephant has pillar-like legs. It is helpful to balance. Means due to the strong sense of smell, big pointed teeth means tusk, as well as long fan-like ears, and pillar-like leg, fan-like ears. Due to these features, the elephant easily survive in a tropical rainforest or a tropical region. Now, we will discuss our next tropical forest animal, that is long-tailed macaque. The lion-tailed macaque has silver white mane, means long hairs that surrounds the head from the cheeks down to its chin, as like a lion. It feeds mainly on fruits, seeds, young leaves, stem, flowers and buds. It is able to get some sufficient amount of food on the trees, so rarely comes down to the ground. Now, the adaptation in monkeys. Monkeys have long coiled prehensile tail. Prehensile means according to grasp the tree branches. They live on the trees, so they are known as arboreal animal. Their hands and feet are in such a way they can easily hold the branches. Now, First, we discuss adaptation in red-eyed frog. The red-eyed frog has a beak as well as bright red eyes. And the other three frogs has sticky pads, means as like a gum, on the tip of digits. These help to them to climb and cling easily on the trees, means to hold the tree branches very easily. Now adaptation in toucan bird. Toucan bird is adapted to get the food not easily reliable. Toucan has a long, colorful beak. With the help of this beak, it is helpful to reach the fruits. The toucan bird has black tuft, means bunch of feathers at the end. The desert has extremely hot climate, and during the day the level of heat is soaring, means increase the level of heat, but at the night the temperature is zero also. It also has very limited water bodies, and the rain is scarce, means insufficient amount of rain is there. But there are many animals that are well adapted in desert. They are camels, jackrabbit, foxes, snakes, insect are the desert animal, as well as camel is well adapted to the desert condition. So it is known as sheep of desert. The limb, means leg of camel, have large pads which help it to walk on hot and slippery sand. It has a hump, means rounded shape on his body that store the food in the form of fat of camel. So the camel can survive without food for a long time. Camel drinks large quantity of water. At one time, it drinks up to 40 liters of water. So, camel conserve the water and survive in desert. Nostrils of a camel have flaps, means wings-like structure, which close the nostril during the dust storm. Camel can adjust its body temperature according to the surrounding air.